Yes, welcome to the class 10th of mathematics. Okay, today we are just going to start our chapter number 3, that is the pair of linear equation in two variables. What is the meaning of this line? Pair means two. The numbers 2. Linear means which representing a line. Representing a line. Equation means a polynomial with the equal symbol. The two variable means that having x and y, that is a two variable. Now just come to the general equation. General equation, that is linear equation actually. What is the general linear equation? That is ax plus by plus c, that having power 1, that means the degree 1 with equals 0, that is known as equation. Okay, since they have the degree 1, so it is linear. That in two variable, there is a two variable x and y. Okay, due to the equal symbol, that is known as equation. Okay, if I take the general one, that is 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. On comparing with it, I have the value of a is 2, value of b is 3 and value of c is minus 5. Okay, these are the value on comparing this equation with the general equation. Okay, and what is the value, what it represent? Actually it represent a line. It's represent a line. And do you, all of you know that, very well know that a line has the infinite many points on it. But if I am talking about the solution, these points algebraically known as the solution of the equation. Graphically it representing a line, but algebraically it representing a equation. It is a line, graphically it is representing a line, but algebraically it represents a equation. Equation has many solution, since a line have many point line on it. Okay, the how many points it have, that means that have that solution it a equation can carry. Okay, it means the points, the solution of the equation are the points, are the points of that line on it. Okay, now it is the basic one. And how you can find the solution? Now come to the next topic. If I am talking about the solution of this, or we can say that the point of this line, so you can put any value x and y here. Suppose I am just putting here x is 1 and y is 1. So you will observe that 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 1, that is 3, minus 5. Okay, 5 minus 5 is equal to 5, 0 is equal to 0. Okay, it means this point satisfy this equation. So 1 is the value of x and the second is the value of y, is the point, or we can say that the solution of this equation. Okay, this is a solution, a single solution of this equation. But is this equation having only one solution? No, a equation can have so many solution also. So many solution. Now if I put x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 in the same equation, you will observe that either it is a solution of it or not. You will observe that is not equal to 0. Okay, so 0, 1 is not the solution of this equation. Okay, clear? Now come to the next topic. We are dealing with the pair of the equation, not the single equation. equation. We are dealing with the pair of equation. This is the single linear equation, but we are dealing with the pair. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is your first equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is your second equation. It means this form a pair. Okay, this system, that system is of pair of linear equation. Okay, as you know that each equation representing a line. So this is also representing a line, and this is the second line. This is your first line. This is your second line. What the possibilities are there with this their solution? Possibilities with these two lines. Maybe they are intersect each other. This is the first one, and second possibility, they may be parallel to each other, and third, maybe they are coincident. Okay, when they are intersecting each other, it means they are cutting each other, they are meeting each other at a single point, so that we can say that the line are intersecting. If they are moving just parallel to each other, it means they are representing the parallel lines. Okay, if they are lying on each other, we can say that the line are coincident actually. They are representing the coincident line. When these two are cancelling at a one point or meeting at a point, then it means it has a one solution. And in this case, it has only one solution. In the case of parallel, there is no solution because they are not cutting each other at any point. आप इनको कितना भी एक्सटेंड कर लो, वे एक दूसरे को कहीं भी इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. So there is a no solution possible in this case. And in the case of coincident line, there are a lot of points where they are meeting each other. So the infinite many points are there. Infinitely many solutions are possible in this case. Okay, only these three possibilities are there in the case of the pair of linear equation or in two variable. Thank you.